Unexpectedly, the first to realize self-driving is not a car, but the Alibaba cloud database. The databases evolved from manual control to autonomous, from firefighting passively to preventing fires before they happen. In order to realize database self-driving, we have been working hard for 6 years. Database Autonomy Service provides services of self-perception, self-repair, self-optimization, self-operation and maintenance, and self-security for a variety of database engines to ensure the continuous availability of databases. By April 2020, DS had automatically optimized 42 million plus DHO, automatically recycled, for PB storage, and automatically optimized to 0.7 TB of memory. DAS provides 24/7 subnormal detection, root cause analysis, automatic repair and optimization, effect tracking and evaluation, rollback and feedback. With this closed-loop diagnosis process, database autonomy can be realized. If an anomaly happens, no manual intervention is required, and business is resumed automatically. Database Autonomy Service invites you to enter the era of database self-driving.